हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एडवांस एसे फॉर पीए स्टूडेंट्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज़ द मोस्ट यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज इन हिस्ट्री। English language is the most important and widely spoken language all over the world. It is used and studied as a foreign language in a large number of countries outside the English-speaking world. In modern times, English is the richest language in the modern world in respect of vocabulary, literature and knowledge and global communication. The quality is quite unique and unmatched as compared to any other language. In short, importance of English can be judged from the craze of learning it has created. We are living in the age of English language. The importance of English language can be judged from the simple fact that it is the language of the whole globe. English occupies the status of a global language. It is spoken and understood in all the countries of the globe. It is taught as compulsory subject in many countries of the world. English is the most effective language for education in all fields. All the educational institutions from basic to higher level of education, whether they are public and private, know this fact quite well. The increasing number of English medium educational institutions is a proof of it. Success in educational affairs depends upon learning and mastering English language. Without English, it will be very difficult and almost impossible to keep pace with new knowledge and secure educational future and successful career. In modern times, our world has become a global village. Therefore, we need quick communication among nations. It is English that is performing this job quite easily and effectively. It would not be wrong to say that it is English that has turned the whole world into a global village. Computer is the most effective part of life now. It has established itself as a necessity. English is the language of a computer. Therefore, it is impossible to ignore its importance. Computer is a valuable source of information and its language is English. English is a global language. It is the only language that can be spoken and understood in any corner of the world. Therefore, no country can afford to neglect its importance. तो दोस्तों, ये था इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।